Welcome everyone. My name is Nkosi Adams. I'm the Athletic Director of Code Sports Academy and Cambridge International Academy. Thank you for coming. CODE is an abbreviation for Chasing Our Dreams Every Day. We encourage each student athlete to dream big and be relentless in the pursuit of their dreams. CODE is an athletic program designed for athletes aspiring to play at the post-secondary level. Our program provides high-level training and competition. Some of the benefits of being a part of the program is the opportunity to learn from experienced coaches in their respective fields. Flexible scheduling also allows our student athletes to excel in both academics and athletics. Another benefit to attending the program is that you will be surrounded with like-minded individuals dedicated to being the best they can be every day. We recently completed our third year of competition at CODE. We have achieved great success in a short period of time and have been able to witness our student athletes transition to the post-secondary level. We are excited to be expanding the program to include additional sports such as soccer, track and field, and hockey, and many more. We look forward to the upcoming year at our new Lakefront campus with top-of-the-line athletic facilities. Are you ready to chase your dreams with us?
Hey, this is former Los Angeles Clipper Coach Keith Claus coming to you from San Jose, Costa Rica. I want to congratulate Code Academy on their partnership with Cambridge International Academy. Wish you guys the best of luck in the upcoming 2024-2025 season. As you start your journey in basketball, I want to encourage all the student athletes to continue to give your best effort in and outside the class, just as well as on the court. I'm expecting big things from you guys. Hopefully, you guys will be able to generate the attention and the talent that you need to help your program continue to grow and flourish. You never know, one day I may be on my way out there to do a basketball clinic or two for you guys. So again, best of luck. Keep pushing forward and demand the best from yourselves because you deserve the best. Peace.
Hi, my name is Amari Allen. I'm the starting wing for Code Academy, and I've been with the program for 3 years. Code Academy has allowed me to play at my full potential and allowed me to gain many interests to play at the next level. Code Academy is like family.
Hi, my name is Kamani Morero. I'm the starting point guard for Code Academy. I've been with the program for the last 3 years, and over the last 3 years, Code has helped me gain plenty of interest and offers at the next level, at the next university level. Code has taught me what it means to be a family and taught me plenty of leadership skills, and I wouldn't be here without them.